Samsung's plans for the upcoming Galaxy S25 series are starting to take shape, and it appears that the company might eliminate the Plus model for 2025. According to recent reports, Samsung is focusing on developing two main variants, the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with no mention of a Galaxy S25 Plus. This decision seems to stem from recent consumer trends where the smaller vanilla model appeals to those preferring compact devices, while the Ultra variant caters to users wanting larger screens. The Plus model has seen declining interest, possibly influencing Samsung's choice to drop it. Moreover, the differences between the standard and Plus models have become minimal. For example, the only distinctions between the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus were the larger screen, higher resolution, and bigger battery, with other specifications being identical. This reduction in differentiation could also be a factor in Samsung's decision to forego the Plus version for the S25 series. Despite this, there are exciting developments for the Galaxy S25 series. Samsung is rumored to be equipping its flagship phones with advanced chips, with speculation that the company might use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. This new chip is expected to offer significant gaming performance enhancements, including AI-driven frame generation technology similar to AMD's FSR and NVIDIA's DLSS. This technology could potentially allow the Galaxy S25 to run games like Genshin Impact at 1080p resolution and 120 frames per second. In terms of design, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might see a major overhaul, potentially becoming one of Samsung's thinnest Ultra models since the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Leaks suggest a thickness of 8.4 millimeters, and it might feature a more rounded shape, though it is unlikely to reintroduce the curved screen design. Samsung has also introduced new camera sensors that could be featured in the Galaxy S25 series. The ISOCELL G9, with its 1/1.57-inch size and advanced technology, is expected to enhance photo and video quality. Additionally, improvements in sensor efficiency and performance are anticipated to boost the overall camera experience. As Samsung prepares for its next flagship release, the Galaxy S25 series promises to bring exciting innovations and potential changes. Stay tuned for more updates as we learn more about these upcoming devices.